In the previous tutorial, we learned how to install Drupal. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make few pages linked to the tabs. Like how you see home page, we can make about us, services, contact us, and we will make pages linked to these tabs. So before I go any further, this is planetgoes.com and my name is Dinesh Bhatia. Okay, now we'll quickly start with making a new page. What I have to do is go and click on the content button over here, left top side. I'll just click on content. Now there is a blue button saying add content. Click on this. Now you will see two links, article and basic page. Now they are nothing but they are known as content types. Now what are content types, I will explain you in the next tutorial. For now I'll just go ahead with basic page. Okay, now we will start with creating about page. I'll just type in a little text saying my name is Dinesh. We will also create a URL path for this. Always make sure you put a / before adding the URL path. So in my case here is I have just put / for about for about page. Now I'll also create a menu link. Now you can name it whatever you want, but by default it will pick up from the title and it will put it here. So I'll just let it be the same, and in this drop down you have to put main navigation as you are planning to put it on the top, which is the main navigation. So I'll just click on save and publish. Okay, you see the page has been created. You see this is the about page with my name is Dinesh, and this is back. If we go back to the home page, this is the home page, this is the about page. Okay, so this is how it works. I'll create one more page. I'll click on the basic page, and this time we'll create services. We make sites in Drupal. Okay, this is something what I'll do, and this time what I'll not create a menu I'll not give it a menu link, and I'll leave it as it is, but I'll also not give a URL path. So let's see what happens then. Okay, now I've clicked on save and publish. If you see, the URL path by default is node /5, so it will give numbers in URL, concatenated by node. Any page created in Drupal is known as node, so by default it gives a number. And you see now, since we've not created a tab as well, so the tab doesn't seem to appear here. Now I'll just click on edit. I'll give it a URL path, say services, and I'll also give it a menu tab name, that is services again linked to main navigation, and I'll click on save. Okay, now you see the services tab has been created, and it is linked to the page we make sites in Drupal. If I go back to home page, we have the home page here, we have the about page. Okay, now you see In home page we see no front page content has been created. Now what I have to do is create a home page. So I'll create a home page with name home, and I'll say something like welcome to Planet Ghost, best place to learn Drupal. Okay, I'll give it a menu path, say home, and I don't have to create a menu setting, as we know there is already a home tab there. So I'll just create a home URL alias and I'll click on save and publish. Now you see about page is linked to the about page. The services link is linked to the services page, but if I click on home, it is still not linked to the home page. Now if I create a menu tab with name home, a new home tab will appear over here, but we have a tab already with the name home. What we have to do is link this tab to that particular page. Now this tab is by default to link this home tab to the particular page. We have to go in configuration, click on configuration. Once you hit the configuration tab, you'll see system right on top. Under system you will see site information. The site information is something that you have you filled while finishing the installation, the core installation of Drupal, which we have covered in the previous tutorial. Now coming down, scroll down and come to the front page. By default the front page is /node. Now what we have to do is remove node and give it the name home. Home is nothing but the URL alias that we've given to the new page that we just created. I'll click the save button. Now I'll go back to the site and you see the home page is linked to the home page. About page is linked to the about page. But still it appears a little distorted, so I'll just sort. I'll put home page first and I'll put services second, I'll put about third. So to resort the order of the menu tabs, what I'll do is click on structure, click on menus. Now you see this is the main navigation. If you click on edit menu, you will see the navigation links here. All what you have to do is drag to reorder. Now what I've done is I've dragged the home from middle to top. I'll put services in between as I want about to be the last one. So I'll just resorted this order and I'll click on the save button. Okay, once this is done, I can go back to the site and check the order. Okay, now you see this is ordered so well. Home is right at the first place, services at the second place, and about is at the third place. Okay, now I am logged in as a super administrator. I see tabs like edit and delete which we don't want to show to the visitor. Don't worry, this won't be shown to the visitor, as I'll open this site in the new browser where I'm not logged in as the super administrator. This is my Chrome browser. Okay, now you see I'm just logged in as a visitor and I can see the home page. If I click on services, I'll go to the services page. If I click on about, I'll go to the about page. Okay, now there are a lot of more things. By default you see there is a search field out here which is present. If I don't want this search field, or maybe I want to replace this search field from left to maybe somewhere on top over here, and if I want to remove this login button, as I'm not planning to give a login link to the users, of course we are using Drupal, we might create a site where users login is required, but however, just to go with the basic, I will teach you how to remove the login link, the search field, maybe to change the footer over here, Drupal, change the themes. All this will be covered in the next tutorial. Okay, thanks for now. My name is Dinesh Bhatia and this is planetcourse.com.